Perfect memory is hard to come by, but by being aware of the curve of forgetting, you can significantly improve your ability to remember the material.
The curve of forgetting,
Examines.
right. The curve of forgetting examines how well we retain information over a period of time.
Notice that on day 1 of learning something, you remember 100% of the material you learned, but by day 2, it drops off dramatically at 30%. By day 30, without any review, you will only remember about 5 to 10% of what you learned.
However, if on day 2 you spend 10 minutes going over the material, it will boost your memory. And if you do the same on day 7 for just 5 minutes on every hour of material, by day 30, you will only need to review the material for 2 to 4 minutes in order to jog your memory.